Okay, pre-algebra, we got example 3 here. We're talking about subtracting now. The last one we added polynomials, and the one before we talked about standard form. So here we're subtracting polynomials. Same rules still apply in that we can subtract like terms with the same variable raised to the same exponent. So in my first problem, I've got 3x squared minus 2x plus 8 in parentheses. So this is subtracting this, x squared minus 4. So I can take like terms from this set of parentheses and then like terms from this set of parentheses and subtract them. So if I look, I've got a 3x squared is my highest exponent. I've got an x squared here. 3x squared minus x squared, that'd be 3x squared minus 1x squared would be 2x squared. Then I move on to my x's. I've got negative 2x, remember I include that sign in front. Negative 2x minus, there's no x term here, so negative 2x minus nothing is just negative 2x, so minus 2x. Then I move on to my numbers. I've got 8, positive 8, minus negative 4. You need to include that sign in front. So this is 8 minus negative 4. 8 minus negative 4 is positive 12. So we end up putting plus 12. And that is our answer. And you can see it's in standard form. So let's move on to the next one. Next one's got a lot here. We got 4x to the 5th plus 3x to the 3rd minus 3x minus 5. So all of that, and then we're subtracting negative 2x third minus 3x squared plus x plus 5 from that. So again, we start with our largest exponent and try and find like terms and subtract. So I've got 4x to the 5th minus, I don't have any x to the 5ths over there, so the 4x to the 5th just stays as is, because 4x to the 5th minus nothing is 4x to the 5th. So let's go to fourths. I don't see any fourths, so we can skip that. Let's go to thirds. 3x to the 3rd minus negative 2x to the 3rd. 3 minus negative 2 is 5, positive 5, so plus 5x to the 3rd. Then I'm going to move on to my x squareds. I don't have any x squareds in here, but I do have one right here. And this is where it gets a little tricky, because you need to think of this as minus negative 3x squared. Minus negative 3 is really just plus 3, so this ends up being plus 3x squared. Then we move on to our x's. I've got negative 3x minus x minus 1x. Negative 3 minus 1 is negative 4. So minus 4x. And then finally, my numbers. I've got negative 5 minus 5. Negative 5 minus 5 is negative 10. So I put minus 10. And we can see our answers in standard form because we started with the largest exponent and worked our way down. We got 5th, 3rd, 2nd, 1st, no exponent. So we are good. All right, those are your 3 examples on adding and subtracting polynomials. Complete the practice problems, check them with the answer key, and then do the short quiz in Google Classroom. Thank you.